Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about the concept of matrix multiplication. So let's say we have two matrices, matrix A and matrix B. And then matrix A is a 3, 2 matrix, while matrix B is a 2, 1 matrix. So let's go ahead and write that out. 3 rows, 2 columns, 2 rows, 1 column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the precondition to be able to multiply two matrices is that the number of columns of the first matrix has to be the same as the number of rows of the second matrix. So in this case, that works. If these numbers were not the same, this one and this one, we wouldn't be able to multiply them together. So now going into actually multiplying them. When we multiply them, an interesting fact about matrices is that these two have to be the same, this one and this one, but these numbers here give us what the matrix at the end will look like. So if we multiply a 3 by 2 matrix with a 2 by 1 matrix, we will end with a 3 by 1 matrix. We're going to have to do a lot of stuff in there, so it's kind of widened out. So what we do is we multiply the numbers going horizontally here with the numbers going vertically there, and we add these together. So for the first one, we go 1 times 7 plus 2 times 8, and then we go down a row and we stay in the same column. So then we have 3 times 7 plus 4 times 8, going again, 5 times 7 plus 6 times 8. So in this case we have, with matrix B, it's 2 by 1, so you weren't able to see the full idea. But let's say it wasn't a 2 by 1. Let's say if it was a 2 by 2. So A is a 2 by 2 times B, which is also a 2 by 2. And we still have the same number of columns for the first matrix, the same number of rows on the second one. In this case, what we would do is we multiply horizontally on the first times vertically on the second, but then we'll stay in the same row and then go to the second. So if we think about it, this is how it'll end up. If we're multiplying the first row by the first column, we have the position 1, 1. So right here. And then if we multiply the first row by the second column, we have the position 1, 2. So we multiply and put stuff here. Same with the second row, first column here, and then the second row, second column. So that's how we know how to position things. So in a very quick way, the number of columns for the first matrix has to be the same as the number of rows for the second matrix, and then you go horizontally for the first matrix and then vertically for the second. And then depending on what row of the first and what column you are of the second, you know what position you'll be in. And in very simple terms, that's matrix multiplication. Thank you.